Now I'm going to take apart this old moulded plug. It's called a fly lead. Some of them have the socket and plug, and some will just have a plug on the end. It depends on what you require for your equipment. Now I'm just going to take it apart, and you can see when we get there. And the middle part there, that's normally made out of copper. It's the copper core that was fitted onto the pin. This particular one is a plug. Now I'm going to cut the coax cable to reveal the braid, which is this metal here, and the screen as well. It's the foil. Now I'm going to cut what is called the dielectric, and we'll just see how thick the core is. This is a copper core, and it looks just under 1mm. The standard for most coax cable is 1mm. Now I'm cutting this particular one. This one is a slightly different one. I think it was a different manufacturer. Now if you look carefully, this one does seem to have less wire for the screen. There's a lot less than the other cable. Now we're just going to cut the braid off again. And if you look carefully, you can see the two different ones. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.